problems our country's going through, where you look around and say, well, there ain't nothing I can do. But there is something that we can do, those of us who believe there's power sent from up above if we get down on our knees. And you can make a difference if you try. Get up off the couch and sound the battle cry. Don't wait for someone else to do the show. There's power in your knees, so hit the floor. In this modern age we're living in, nobody stops to pray. Then they wonder why our country's heading the wrong way. If our leaders had the gumption to put prayers back into school, we'd find more kids around today living by the golden rule. And you can make a difference if you try. Get up off the couch and sound the battle cry. Don't wait for someone else to do the show. There's power in your knees, so hit the floor. Now it's okay to burn the flag, but you can't pray in school. And I wonder what's the next thing our great courts will rule. And I wonder if our Bible is the next thing on the list. Communism can't be far away, so I say this, that you can make a difference if you try. Get up off the couch and sound the battle cry. Don't wait for someone else to do the show. There's power in your knees.